All right, we're back now. Okay, so we'll be reconnecting again. So we've relaunched the live now. Let's just wait for our friends to connect. I'll go ahead with the trade if the opportunity presents itself. I'll take the trade. Yeah, welcome back. The comment section is working now. Yes, let's click the like button so that others can connect. I'm going to take the trade when it comes here again. If it comes here again, I'll take another trade because I'm expecting that pullback. Let's just wait for it. Not yet. Yes, that's it. I'm expecting a pullback again. Hey, Mahi, thank you so much for joining. Mahi, hope you're feeling great today. Yes, my people are here now. We won that trade again. Yes, I knew that you guys might be sending me messages the other time, but I couldn't. There was no way I was able to read you guys. Oh, really? Oh, sorry about that. Now, actually, I don't think it's your fault. The market is a little bit dicey today. You understand? I was talking about it earlier today that the market is a little bit somehow. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. So it's not really your fault actually. The market since yesterday, the market has been a little bit somehow. So which when hey Kolawole, welcome back. Thank you so much. Yes. Sometimes anytime the market is like that, it's better not to take trades. You have to like check the market condition. That's one thing we didn't know back then. Thank you so much, Kola. Yeah, we're back. The other time the messages could not work, so I couldn't read your messages. Now you see, we will not take this trade again here. You know why? Because it's in favor of the buyers. So we are not going to take the trade. I was waiting for my setup for so long. I left it. I came back again. It happens like that. But it's best you wait for your setup. You understand? Not take random trades. That's the best thing we can do. Is to wait for our setups and just hey Mahi. I guess the waiting patience. Yes. No, the thing is, we as traders, our major work is to actually for the best entry. You understand? Let me check the rest of the market and see if we have. Hey Abdul, okay, Abu Mojid, thank you so much for joining again. Welcome back. Sorry, the other time I couldn't. Oh, we have an opportunity here. That's good. The other time I couldn't. Yes, patience is key. Oh, sincerely. Yeah, I couldn't read your messages, so I was feeling somehow. So I had to reset. Oh, you lost the other one. Oh, we have an opportunity here now. Yeah, I got frustrated. It was a gap down, and it took. I couldn't finish reading that message. If we have a gap down here, we can take a good trade. Let's check that time frame to see if we have a demand area down here. I've not seen any demand yet, but let's check. Yeah, sometimes it's not very clear like that. Okay, we have a demand down here on M1. I always trust M1 entries. So especially if I'm on M5, I always trust M1 entries. And look at, we have a market sequence of three candles and green. So we can have another three candles, then green will come after it. You understand? I really wish the price would come down and close inside this entry, or close on that, very close to it. Hey, hey, Claysley, welcome back. Yes, we're back again. It's nice to have you here. I had to refresh the live because I couldn't read your messages, and I was like, no, it can't just be only me here. All of us has to be together. I can still go with the buyers, but the buyers are already pushing to the upside. I was hoping that the sellers will push past this overlapping level, then they will come into this entry down here, then we can take a good trade. But those buyers are very jumpy. They've already entered the market before, and this is a very nice price channel. Though we may still have a green candle after this because of that market sequence. Now, for that to happen, we will need a gap down and margin of safety. So let's just check and see. Yes, QM is very good in Forex actually. QM is very good in Forex. Let's see if we'll take this trade. Okay, we have a gap down. I'll wait for margin of safety and take another one. Oh, I missed that last message. I was trying to take a trade when the message came in, so I didn't read it. Please, if try and resend that message so that I can read it. Okay. I'm just so happy. Anytime the comment section is working, guys, please. I know it's a new video right now, like it's a new live setup. Let's click the like button so that, yeah, that's gold actually. Oh, okay. Oh, you closed your QM on Forex. Wow. NZD USD. Okay, we'll go check it out right now. Let me see. NZD USD. Let's check it. NZD U. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, sorry, I missed those. Oh, you like gold? Well, it depends though. Okay, we have this is not a ranging market, but we have a doji. Let me see if doji has worked in time past. If the doji has worked in time past, we may be able to take a doji trade. Let's see. You know what? Let's not take this trade because I don't see enough reason to like want to go with this. Yes, we have demand down here. Now, you see, if price comes down to this demand, let me quickly check. I'll mark this as a favorite first, and I'll check that market. We have a market that is running currently. Let's check that one. Okay. Yeah, okay. I think the what they call it, the market sequence is working. Okay. Okay, we still have 2 minutes. Now let's use the opportunity of the 2 minutes to go check NZD USD. So the thing that what I was going to about saying the other time is, if we have, you see, if we have price coming into this demand, we can take a good trade. Why? Because the market is ranging. It's a big range. Let me put it that way. So if price comes into this range now, it's a demand area. You understand? It's a demand area where we can we can do something about. Okay, this is good. But price has to come into this demand before we do anything here. You understand? Before we can do anything here, price needs to come into the. Hey, Gemworld, welcome back. Gemworld, thank you so much for coming. Sorry, we had to refresh the live session because I couldn't get the messages, and I was like, no, we still have enough time to spend here, so all of us we need to be involved. Yes. Yes. Yes, Gemworld is is the OG. Yes, thank you, Kesley, for helping me hail Gemworld. Gemworld is the OG of the channel. We need to hail her anytime she comes. Yes, thank you so much. I love that. Yes, anytime she comes like that, we must hail her. She makes some things happen in the live session. So we need to hail her very well. And guys, if you want to join Gemworld and to hey Robert, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Robert Daniels, thank you so much for joining. No, don't worry, you're just on time. It's very nice. You understand? So if you want to join Gemworld to support the channel, you can just click, you make use of the super chats and the super like and the super thanks. You understand? You see that dollar sign beside the comment section. Those are the super thanks. You're welcome, Daniel. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. You understand? It's so nice. Now we've made another proper doji in the middle of this place. Now, if you have a break of doji either to the up or to the downside, this is going to be a good trade for us. So let's mark the doji range. Now it's going to be a triple doji break. So it's going to be amazing. Yes, look at those candles. So that last trade we took was a winning trade. I didn't even pay attention to it. Oh, that was a beautiful one. See, guys, that was a beautiful one. I can bet that the major reason why we won is because of the market sequence. You can see 3 red candles, then green, 3 red candles, then green. You understand? And this overlapping level too helped in pushing the price to the upside. Now, guys, let me repeat what I said yesterday because of those who are just beginners or who are just joining us. You see, anytime you are in the market and you make a couple of trades like this. Look at, we've made how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've made 7 good trades. You understand? You can as well just decide to stop and not take a trade again. You understand? 7 good trades, it's a very big stretch. You understand? That's how it is. Over trading is what kills a lot of people. And greed. You understand? So that's what happens to people sometimes. You see, they've made a lot of money already, then they get greedy. They want to make more. You understand? So basically, one should not do too much in the market. Immediately you've gotten to a certain amount, you're okay. You should stop. You are fine already, like that. Yeah, exactly. Yes. If you take 2 back-to-back losses, like you've taken one loss, then another loss again, back to back, you should just stop at that point and say no. At least leave it for a while, then come back again. At least let your mind reset before coming back. That's one of the best things anybody can do. You understand? So it makes so much sense. Let's check. You see, while we're checking, okay, fine. Look at that trade. This is where we won 2 trades the other time. Common point of rejection. Yes, people shouldn't be blowing their accounts nowadays. There's a lot of information, very good information out there right now. But the thing there is, sometimes I understand, especially if you are starting with small amounts, it's like that sometimes. But don't worry. The most important thing is to practice until you get to that point where you are very sure of yourself. Then you take it slow, you know, and steady. Okay. I'm looking to take a sell right here. Let's check for extra confirmation in lower time frame. Okay. You can see we have a supply here already inside, just at the edge. There's another supply up here. Okay. Sometimes I just check M1 straight. But don't worry, let's check M2. Oh, look at this. This is a big one. That's good. Okay, we have another one. Price is already rejecting from that entry. Let's go back to price. There are sellers here and price is already rejecting from here. This market is a good market to actually just chill. Also for practice, I feel it's in spite of taking trades, just mark. Yes, you can just mark certain areas. You're very correct. This is the kind of market one can chill on. You can just wait, because if price breaks to the upside, you can go with the sellers. If price breaks to the downside, you can go with buyers. It's a very good ranging market. So the 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 energy from both the buyers and the sellers is kind of equal at this point. That's why they keep making dojis. They have not made up their mind where they want to go. So if price goes up, you see the sellers reject it. If price goes down, you see the buyers reject it. So exactly, we'll just wait for it. Yeah, I'm with you too. Abu Mujid, I'm with you. So let me mark this entry at the top here as a lower time frame entry. We will take a good trade. Some sellers are up here. Hey, Given, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, if you are new here, please go ahead and send a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out, okay? I've been shouting at all my friends since, you understand. So you can join the other friends. Let's give you a shout out quickly. You understand? And if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers and we're very close right now. So you have the opportunity of being one of the first 1,000 subscribers on the Barter-Pro mentorship, on the Barter-Pro channel on YouTube. So please go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for doing that. It's your opportunity now. If you miss this opportunity now, you understand, we may just get to 1,000 subscribers tomorrow. You understand? Or maybe this night. You may never know. So you can't wait till tomorrow. Just do it now. So that immediately we cross 1,000 now, your position has changed already. So don't let anybody steal your position. Okay, if anybody wants to join the Telegram channel link is in the description below. You understand? Just click on the Telegram channel link, and if you would like a one-on-one consult or you like a one-on-one mentorship, you can join you can join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? And the link to join is in the description below. Just click that Telegram channel link, and when you are in the Telegram channel link, click that tag. There's a tag called Barter-Pro mentorship. Just click on it and send me a message. Then we'll be able to discuss. Oh, sorry, I couldn't read that last message. So we'll be able to discuss your mentorship and everything. You understand? Price is really like the buyers and sellers are really haggling it out here. Oh, they are building a lot of liquidity in the middle of this range right now. But eventually, when it breaks, we are going to have a very good trade. So we might as well just stay here. Yes, we have long doji candles. So that tells those are very, and if it breaks either to the up or to the downside, it's going to be a triple doji break. We can take the trade. Yeah, Enoch. Yes. I've sometimes used that alligator um this thing before. What they call it? Indicator before. It's not bad. It's very good actually. It's very good for detecting trends. So if you are the type that like to trade with the trend, like you have to go with it too. Okay, fine. Finally, the market is breaking to the downside. If it enters into the you know what? Let me reduce. If it enters into the demand area, I'm taking a rejection trade because we have a gap down. Price may reject early. We have a gap down, so price may actually reject early enough. Okay, that's good. Oh, oh, I was expecting it to like get into the entry before taking the trade. Okay, fine. This is where I wanted to enter the trade from. So it's going down now, but I'm expecting to pull back to the upside. I'm expecting that pull to the upside. So if it gives us that doji break, we can go with the buyers for another trade. If it comes under this round number, I will go again. If it comes under this round number, I'm going again. Okay. The round number can give us the pullback we want. Let her fly. So wait for it now. They've been building a lot of liquidity in this range for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the past 25 minutes, they've been building a lot of liquidity. So now that liquidity is going to be explosive, but I still expect the buyers to reject here. If we get the break of that doji, definitely we will go with the buyers again. Hey Hester, how are you? Hope you're feeling today. Thank you so much for joining. La 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 la. Oh, you got the position. Yeah, that's good. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mm-hmm. 0.57965. Okay, that's a good position. So we have 35 seconds. It would be nice if price just rejects just above that round number. That would be so nice. Oh, I couldn't read that message. Exactly. Oh, that was last second. We lost that trade by 1 second. Now let's go with the buyers now. Just 1 second. That was all. You understand? On that round number. So I'm expecting the buyers to come in now. Yes, you won. That's good. You got a very good position. That was a very nice one. Though my position was not bad, but we lost the trade by just 1 second. Let me even see, Seth. Let's see. Okay, you can see 6 points and 2 points. You can imagine. We lost that trade just by 2 points. The market woke up. That was so close. I was thinking the buyers will respond to the Doji break. But while we're waiting for this, let me see. Let's check for something else quickly. Yes. Oh, this was the trade we were waiting for the other time. We should still have some buyers here. I believe we should still have some buyers here because the first entry and the second entry, that second entry shows that the sellers are weak. Okay. So let's go back to the other one, this one. I was really expecting the buyers to come in here. The buyers are still sleeping. They are not awake yet. Okay, cool. So the buyers are trying. It's a doji break. We should have a green candle. And it's not just a normal doji break, you understand? This area is actually a demand area. So we have doji break, you understand? It's not even is a triple doji break. So there should not be a contest between the buyers and the sellers. This pair I got the good. Okay, you got another good entry at the bottom. uh sometimes the reason why I enter immediately is because you may be waiting for margin of safety, and the market will be like, sorry, we are not waiting for you, we are going. We have 10 seconds left. Okay, that's going to be a losing trade, and this one going to be a winning trade. Well, no problem. Now you see, anytime you see a trade like this happen, we are most likely going to have another red candle, and it's not because of the, let me reduce the payout amount is 69. I won't trade this market again. Or you know what, for the proof of concept, let's just go with the sellers. The reason why I said so is because there's this strategy called doji disrespect. So I'm just taking this one for, let's just see what happens, kind of, you understand. Now anytime you have a doji break and you have a doji disrespect, you can go with the, like you have red candle doji break, red candle disrespect. We should go with the sellers for one more candle. Then you see, after that one we can now go with the buyers. uh, exactly. So let me go back to that other trade. That market seems kind of let's see what's happening there. Okay, the price channel is taken already. Now it's going to be a break and retest kind of scenario. You see, inside this place there's going to be a decision point that we need to take advantage of. Yes, I found it. There's one here, so we can do that right here. Look at this, we can do this right here. So if price comes into this entry, that'll be our bread and butter. We'll take the trade. Let me go back to 12.5%. So this is going to be our entry here. Let me mark it as a lower time frame entry from M1. So let me look at this again. Hey man, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. I almost did not see your message. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you. Guys, if you are new in on the channel currently, I would really appreciate if you can click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Bro, I'll catch you. Okay, no problem now. You know now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the thing there is, I love these emojis. Thank you so much. Oh, you want the trade, Abu? That's good. I like that. So guys, if you are if you are yet to subscribe, please go ahead and click subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we're almost there right now. So I would really appreciate if you can just go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. That would mean a lot. You understand? And it's free of charge anyways. So thank you so much for doing that. You understand? And if you would like to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, um Click the link to join is the Telegram channel link in the description. Go ahead and click that Telegram channel link right now. And inside the Telegram channel link, you will see a tag. It's called Barter-Pro mentorship. Click that one, and it will take you straight to where you can send me a message, a direct message directly, and we'll be able to. I'll be able to reply you, and we can discuss about your mentorship. So thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate. Hey, how are you? Lebo gang. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. So, guys, please go ahead and click that like button right now if you have not clicked it yet. And if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to register for the platform, the link is in the description below. That the broker link is in the description below. Just click on the broker link. It will take you straight to the platform where you can register. You understand? And once you are done registering, you can come back to the channel. If you're a beginner, I have a playlist for you. The playlist is called Binary Options for Beginners. Just click on it and watch all the videos there. That will give you all the foundations you need and everything. You understand? And if you require a one-on-one mentorship, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? The link is the Telegram channel link in the description below. Thank you so much. And if you are getting a lot of value from the channel right now and you would like to support the channel, you can just make use of the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers on the channel. You can go ahead and do that. It's just by your right hand side, in the comment. Like when you're about to type in a comment, you see that the dollar sign on the right, on your right hand side. That's it. So you can just click on it and make use of it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So you can do all the support. I really appreciate all your support, and you can consider being one of our channel members also. You understand? To join the channel member, you can click that. You see that join button beside the subscribe channel button. Just click the join button. That's the button to use when you want to join the YouTube membership. So thank you so much. You can do that too. Let me see if there's an entry inside here, because that's a decision point. I always trust M1 entries. We have an ABC here. Hey, Finex, how are you, bro? The time frame I'm using is M5, and the trade time is also 5 minutes. Yes, I'm using M5 time frame, and the trade time is also M5. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. So I'm going to be entering on M5, but I'm checking the market. I'm checking for lower time frame entry on M1. You see, there's an M1 entry here. There's another M1 entry at the top here. Yes, I do, Judy. It's nice to have you here. You do, Judy. It's nice to have you here. Sorry, I couldn't read that previous message. Let me mark this. You were asking a question, but I couldn't read that message. Please resend it. Okay. Okay. Yes. I mark the lower time frame entry. Then, but I'm going to take the trade on M5, and the trade time is also M5. Look at this now. So immediately price comes into this entry now. I'll go with the sellers because it's a decision point. It's a decision point trade. This breakout was not caused by anything. There's a kind of decision point inside there. No. If you're trading on M5, you can mark your entry in lower time frame. You can mark it on M5 too. It doesn't matter really where you understand. The most important thing is wherever you see your entry, you mark it. You understand? So I've seen two entries on M1. That's why I'm marking the M1 entries. So, but I'm going to take the trade on M5 when price gets there. While we're waiting, let me quickly check the rest of the markets so that we don't miss anything. Okay, cool. Okay, we have a break to the upside. That's good. Hey, Whitey, how are you? Hey, it's been a long time, Whitey. What happened now? What did happen? Yes, it's been a while. Hope you're feeling great today, Whitey. Thank you so much for joining. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Felix say, Phoenix say, wetin dey happen? Na so now, wetin dey happen? Na so, my brother. Yes, thank you so much. Oh, we dey try manage small small. No, by God's grace, we'll get better at it. It's a reason for the practice because practice makes you better. So we'll just keep at it until, oh my God, see this push to the upside. I was expecting that we'll have an entry here, but see. Now, guys, you see, anytime this kind of thing happen, don't panic. This place was formerly a supply area. Now, this place has turned to a demand. If price comes down here, you can go with the buyers. And also, we have a decision point down here. You can also go with the buyers here. You understand? The buyers are going to treat this area as a demand area. This is CHF NOK. Oh, but the listing is low now. I want to ask you that if there are two low candles entry, okay, I think somebody has asked this question before, that if you have two lower time frame entries, which one do you take? Now let me explain this quickly. See, if you have two lower time frame entry, let me read that message quickly. Yeah, the percentage is low, so I've left the market. I'm not going to take a trade with very low percentage like that. So now if you have two lower time frame entries, the rule of thumb for me is that you take the one that is closest to a round number. If we look at this market now, which one is the closest to a round number? It's the one up here. This one. Look at this round number here. That's the one that is closest to the round number. It's the one we're going to take. You understand? Now, I can take this one too, but maybe with small amounts, just to see, because price may get to this entry and retrace and not come back for this up one. But the best one is actually the one up here. You understand? That's like the one with the highest probability. You understand? So it happens like that sometimes, and anytime that happens, you should know that you are going to want to go with the one that has the highest probability. Let me read your message quickly. The person I told you then still came today and gave me one. Oh, sorry, I couldn't read the whole. Please resend the message. You were telling me the person that somebody came today and gave you something. Please resend the message, please. I would really like to read it. Okay. We can go with the buyers after this, because this is a doji break. But we have to be careful. Let me see if there's a demand area we can anchor the trade on. Okay, let's read your message quickly. It gave 21% signal, and I couldn't read that message. But I think you're talking about that person you told me about yesterday. 21%. Wow, 21% is too low now. Come on, 21% is too low. Yes, we can start small, but no, yeah, we can start small, but the thing there is, we need to still look for the best payout amount. You understand? Anything less than 75 is once once they drop it below 75, it's not worth the stress, because the same effort you're going to put in for 92 is the same effort you're going to put in for even the lower ones. So what's the use? It's better to just put your effort in the 92 ones. It's better. No, well, this I'm not even doing signals. I'm just trying to educate everybody. You understand? For me, this is not even signal at all. You understand? But I like the way all of us are learning together. It makes so much sense. I'm going to go with the buyers if we have a gap down. Okay, we don't have a gap down, but I'll still go with the buyers. I'm expecting a push to the upside one, because you see this area. This is a doji break. This is doji we are trading against. Where's that doji? There's a doji here somewhere. I know there's a doji here. That's why I marked it. I'll find it somewhere. I know it's here. I'll look for it anyways. So it's a doji break. We have um we have round number here, and I'm taking the trade directly on that round number. Though I probably should have waited for it to come down a little bit. And this is the fourth candle, so we can use the fifth candle theory. Oh my God, no, no, don't do that. Anyways, Whitey, yes, I just noticed that right now. That was on M3, but it should still give us the same this. Okay, that's why I was looking for the doji. This is the doji I was looking for. That's why I was looking for. I was wondering why I couldn't see the doji, but then I realized that we're on M3. But it's still gonna be a doji break actually. No, you should hold on. You should hold on. The thing is, you understand, if you want to trade along with me, I personally would advise practice along with me instead. You understand? Especially if you don't know what you're doing. You see those other guys, Claysley and the rest. You understand? Those guys have very vast knowledge. They already have foundational knowledge. That's why you see them identify things in the market. You understand? So don't share far away. Let me put it that way. But how am I going to say it in English? Like don't be a copycat. You understand? Don't copy those guys. You get the gist. Those guys they've been trading for a while now, so you understand. They understand how it works, and they know high probability trades. You get the gist. Aha. Those guys know high probability trades. If they see one, they can easily identify it. You see, anybody that is starting at this stage, you don't have any business trading your real account. You need to practice until you get to that point where you are good enough to actually enter the market. You get the gist. Aha. So don't worry about it. You will get there. It's just a matter of time. And don't let anybody tell you you cannot do it. You can do it. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You can do it. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Trust me. I know what I'm saying. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. So I'm not the type that discourage newbies or tell them no, you can't do it. No, you can do it. The fact that you're even here learning, you understand, it's already It's you've already taken out, you've already taken a step that a lot of people are not even taking already. So that's how it is. Yes, I know. I understand that. Yes, you should keep learning. You understand? At some point, you get to a point you will know you are ready. You will know it when you are ready. But for now, just keep practicing. That practice will make you better. Mm. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, we have a push to the downside. That's serious. Uh, Somebody's 5 seconds time frame. Okay. I don't know. I don't know about that. Oh, sincerely, I don't know about that. Though I know some people do that, but okay. Okay, let me check that last trade. Seems as if we won the trade. You see what I'm talking about now. We won the trade. So don't let anybody tell you cannot do it. You understand? You can do it. Don't let anybody tell you cannot do it. Oh, you want the trade? That's good. Please don't be jumpy. I beg you in the name of God. I don't want to lose in any trade right now. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, you know what? Let's look for a very good trade. Most of these trades, there are no opportunities there. I'm going to remove them from the favorites. Yes, just go ahead. Just keep learning. Trust me, you will be fine. You see, the education is more important than the money at this point. At least at this moment. Hey Ibrahim, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, yes. It's called Pocket Option. His name is. Sorry, I couldn't read that last message. The platform is called Pocket Option, and the link to the platform is in the description below. I've tagged it as broker link. The broker link in the description below. So if you click on it, it will take you to the platform. You can register for you can register an account. They'll give you a demo account that you can use to practice. You understand? So once you are done registering, come back here into this channel. There's a playlist section. That playlist section is sorry, his name is Mr. Trend on YouTube. Don't worry about him. Sincerely, I'm not even gonna bother about checking him out. So as I was saying, so once you are done registering on the platform, come back to this channel. There's a playlist section for all the beginners. Now it's called binary option for beginners. You can watch all the videos under that playlist. It's free of charge. Just watch it. It will give you all the foundational knowledge you need, everything you need to know about. You understand about trading on pocket option. You understand. Then you can now start practicing. So watch the rest of the videos. There's another playlist you can watch. It's called a live trade session. You know, I think I have about over 100 videos inside that one, that playlist. You can watch all of them one after the other like that. You understand? Then also, guys, for the season traders now, you see all the live sessions we've been having. I've put everything together in one playlist too. It's called live trade sessions. You should watch. You can, if you've missed anyone, just go back. I've dated everything. I put the dates. It's very easy. Just go back and watch whichever one you feel you missed. Or if you feel like refreshing your mind again, just watch everything all over again like that. You understand? You see, sometimes when you rewatch some things like this, it helps your mind. You understand? It sharpens your mind. Let's put it that way. You get the gist. And if you are the type that you want a one-on-one consult, you understand, you can click that Telegram channel link in the description. You can book an hour session or 2 hour session with me. You understand? If you have any question, we can trash it. If you maybe you have a particular trade you want me to look into to help you check it out, no worries. Just book an hour session with me. We will do that together. Now, if you want a one-on-one mentorship, you understand, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. The link to join is in the description below. That so just click that. Hey, how are you, Kenneth? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. You understand? So just click that Telegram channel link. You understand? And when you get to Telegram channel, click the tag called Barter Pro Mentorship. You'll be able to send me a message, and we can discuss about your mentorship and how we'll get right to it. Okay? So that's it, basically. And if you like to support the channel, you can make use of the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers. You understand? Thank you so much, Kenneth. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So we can use all those, and if you don't mind, or if you would like to, I would like to have you to join the YouTube membership. You understand? You can just join our YouTube membership. It makes so much sense. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Oh, I wanted to go with the sellers here. I forgot. And if you I'll write you can click that subscribe button. You understand? You can click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're very close right now. So this is the opportunity to be one of the first 1,000 Barter-Pro subscribers on YouTube. So just click that subscribe button now, because if you wait another minute, you understand, your slot might just, you might just be like the 1,001 person. You don't want to be 1,001. You want to be one of the first strong 1,000 people. You understand? So just click the subscribe button now. It makes so much sense. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And the best thing is it's even free of charge itself, so you don't have to pay for that. If the market gives us the entry, I'll go with the sellers again. You know what? I feel very jumpy. Let me click one here. But if it goes up again, I would add more to the entries. Hey, Stanley, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining us. Yes, if you are new here, just click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. And if you're a beginner, just watch that playlist I spoke to about just now. The playlist is called Binary Options for Beginners. You understand? Just click on it and watch all the videos there. It's about 16 videos, and I put it together specifically for beginners. And if you're a seasoned trader, you want to sharpen your mind, click that live trade session playlist and watch all the videos there. You understand? I have all those videos there for you to watch. You understand? So it's going to be amazing. It's certainly going to be amazing. My entry in this trade is bad. Let me tell you why I'm taking this trade. See, we have this evening star pattern. Oh, and sorry, this morning star pattern. And usually when we have morning star pattern like that, it usually retraces. You understand? The time frame is M5. Ravi, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Ravi Powell. So if price goes up again, I'm still going to take one more trade. So the time frame we are trading is M5, and the trade time is also 5 minutes. So if it gives us the proper entry, I'll take it now. If it gives us the proper entry, fine. This is a proper entry for us. So I'm still expecting the red candle. Though sometimes market may want to like maybe take a breather a little bit, but I'm still expecting the red candle. We have 1 minute and 20 something seconds left. So if you have evening star normally gives us like is usually accompanied by a by a green candle, and morning star is usually accompanied by a red candle. So I'm expecting a red candle here. We have this overlapping level above here. This would have been a perfect entry. Yes, we are trading the retracement actually. You know what? I'm gonna take one more here because price may pull back from here. And if they break this level, no problem. We have an overlapping level here. If they break this overlapping level, we'll go with the sellers again. Because usually when we have overlapping levels like that, it's a sign that we have sellers in that area. But that push to the upside is very strong. Though actually, it's a good trade we took. It's not a bad trade. It's a good trade actually. It's not a bad trade at all. The probability is not just on our side, so no problem. So I'll go with the sellers one more time. Or let's go two more times. It's coming from demand zone. Yes, it's coming from a demand zone. That's why it's pushing to the upside like that. But we can still have the sellers coming for one more candle. Though the demand zone is not a very strong demand zone. I wasn't even expecting it to be this pushy like that. But some people normally go with the buyers after the Morningstar pattern. Well, according to my training, now it depends. Sometimes it depends on the condition, like the conditions. Okay, let me give you one more reason why I feel the sellers should come in. See, look at this seller's entry. You understand? We're very close to this seller's entry now. If you go to lower time frame, we may be able to find a better entry. Look at this. I don't know. I probably should have done that since. Look at this. Look at this. This is a better entry here. I probably should have done that earlier, but no problem. It happens like that. And look at this. This is also a supply area. So there's every tendency that we would have the sellers coming. You understand? That they didn't come in the other time does not mean it's a bad entry. Just like I said, you see, this is another seller's area. So if price comes to this round number now, I can take a very good trade here. You understand? And in M5, let's go back to M5. I'll show you something again. You see this area is a common point of rejection. You understand? Also, we have gap up. So all the probabilities, they are pointing to the fact that we can have sellers coming. Oh, I wanted to take the trade up here, and the price just jumped down. Can you imagine? I wanted to take it outside this trend line so that we can have that common point of rejection. But no problem. Okay, no problem. So let me mark all that area, because sometimes it's good to just mark it. I like to mark it different colors so that it will be easy on the eyes. If I refresh it now, you can. It's easy on the eyes now. So if you miss a particular, or maybe you lost a particular trade, it doesn't make you a terrible trader. And don't believe that, oh, I've lost this trade, I'm bad. No, you may actually be correct. You understand? It just depends on how the probability stacks up either against you or on your behalf. You understand? So, and like I've been saying it for some days now, that traders don't think in traders don't think in shorty, like in 100% certainty. You understand? Traders think in probabilities. Guys, let's check this comment section. Is it still working? Please, somebody should send messages into the comment section. Let's test it to make sure it's working, because I think it's doing that same thing it did the other time. I don't want it to do that same thing it did the other time. It just went off after a while, and we couldn't communicate. That was the reason why I had to stop the live, then start it again. Oh, you know what? I'm not seeing the messages, but guys, keep bombarding that comment section with messages, so that, because if we keep doing that, the thing can refresh and just start working. No, why is it pushing to the upside? No, 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 don't do that. No, we have a gap up. We should have red candle. We have gap up in favor of the sellers. No, no, calm down now. And we are so close. Okay. Okay, no problem. We're so close. Just 10 seconds. Now we have a gap down. We can't go with the sellers again. We can't go with the sellers again. Even if we come here now, we can't still go with the sellers, because okay. This seller's entry, though, I think it's an entry problem. If we had entered above here, we would have won the trade. If we had entered above this common point of rejection, we would have won the trade, because this common point of rejection was part of the reason why I wanted to take the trade up here. But no problem, it happens like that. It doesn't mean you're a very terrible trader. It simply just means the probability did not work in your favor, and it's normal. It happens sometimes, like that. Let's look for a very good trade again. We'll find a very good opportunity. And this the comment section is not working. It's very annoying. I can't read your messages. Oh, this is a very good trade we missed. This is a very good trade we missed. Can you imagine? Price broke that level, gave us a green candle. We would have gone with the buyers. First touch high, second touch high. Price comes down, breaks the level. We go with the buyers. Easy win. Okay. Oh, we have an entry up here. That's good. Let's still mark this. That might be a good one. Okay, you can see now, that's the reason why I don't want us to go with the sellers again. No problem. Let's keep an eye on it. We'll keep checking the market to find the best setups we can find. I have a feeling price is going to shoot to the upside and come to this area. This is going to be one of the entries. But no problem. I will not keep an eye on this one, because we have a QM here. That's good. Let's check the QM to see if we can take a QM trade here. Guys, I'm so sorry if I cannot read your message. You understand? But let's keep bombarding this message area. Let's keep bombarding it. The other time when we tried bombarding it, it's kind of refreshed and came up for a while. So we can try it again. So we have a QM here now. Well, I'm checking high time frame to see if okay. Now we're on M5. Anytime you want to check higher time frame, you use M15 or M30. So we're able to find an angle of an M30 now. So now the next thing we need to do is to go to lower time frame and find entries. Though in M5, I saw one entry in M5. You see, there's an entry inside the QM shoulder. We're not going to take that one. This is the one we're going to take. This supply area up here. This is the one we're going to work on. You understand? This is the one we're going to take. I'll mark it as a supply. Then we'll go to lower time frame to fine tune the entries. So let's go. Okay. We'll check M2. No entry, no problem. I always like M1. So if I see okay, fine. We've seen an entry in M1. This is the one we're going to take. This is going to give us the best entry for this QM. This one. There's an entry down here. I'm not going to bother about it. So price may get to this point, the down, or you know what? Let me mark this one, but I'm not going to. We're not going to trade on it. I'll just mark it, but we're not going to do anything about it because price may come to it. We're not going to trade it. Let's go back to M5. So you can see price reject from here, but don't worry about it. That's not our trade. This is where our trade is. This one up here. That's where our trade is. That's where we're taking our trade from. I'll mark this one blue. And I'll mark this one as lower time frame entry. Good. Let's refresh the chart. Good. So the next thing we need to do now is wait. We'll just wait. You understand? Guys, I'm so sorry. If I can't read your message, I understand it's the network. But let's just keep bombarding that. Let's just keep sending messages. After a while, it usually refresh by itself. If we keep bombarding, but if we don't send messages to it, it will not show. So let's keep sending messages to it until it shows. Until it shows. Let's just keep sending the messages. So we'll keep an eye on this market because this area has high probability for us. It has high probability. This is a very crazy momentum that made us lose most of our money. But no problem. I'm not going to resent the market for anything. You understand? It happens like that sometimes. It's all about probability. Okay. I'm trying to see if the buyers get exhausted, we can take an opportunity on this supply because they seem like they are beginning to get exhausted now. Exhausted, I mean, and also we have this round number with 4 zeros. Is it 4? Let me see. 3 zeros. Okay. We have this round number with 3 zeros right above here. If price comes here, I'll take a trade to the downside. It's going to be a rejection trade. So guys, I can't read your messages and I'm very sorry about that. I wish I could, but I can't see it. But if you keep sending the messages, I can tell you we would be able to. It's going to refresh at some point. It's going to refresh at some point. I'm not going to take that common point of rejection trade. Or you know what? Why not? Let's give it a shot. We'll go with small amounts. Okay, I didn't snatch the entry the first time. But that's just to test. The real entry we want to take is up here, this one. That's where our real entry is. The common point of rejection is just to test if it will work. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, that's why we went with small amounts. Okay, I'm waiting for that Doji trade because I don't want us to miss it. Oh, I should mark this. Okay, let's just wait for it because I'm going to take the trade. It's right here. Oh, did I touch something? I think I did. Price has not touched the round number, the one here. If we have a gap up, that would be a good sign. No, that did not happen. But no problem. I'll still wait for the entry because we're inside a supply. But I have to be patient enough to wait for the entry. Yes, this is the entry. So let me mark this now. We still have like 4 minutes to wait, so we will come back and check on it. Meanwhile, let's check. Okay. I'll just keeping an eye on that. I'm expecting a pullback here. And if the pullback doesn't happen, then I know that this momentum is a very crazy one. I'm so sorry, I can't read your messages. I hope you guys understand. Okay. Okay, we have 3 minutes more. That's good. You know, a little bit of patience pays most of the time. Okay, 2 minutes now. That's good. You just need to be patient. Let me keep an eye on that Doji break. That Doji, the QM trade. That's good. That's very good. If the sellers can just hold the price down like that for the next 1 minute and 30 seconds, that would be amazing. If they can just hold it down, that would really be amazing. The buyers are beginning to they are going to push just like they did here the other time in the last 10 seconds. So we have 60 seconds now. Let's keep an eye on that QM. Okay, the first entry is about to hit. I'm not going to take a trade here. This is where I'm going to take the trade, up here. So we'll keep checking. So we have 30 seconds now. That's good. And that was very good. That was a nice one. That was a nice one. All right, that's not bad. So guys, let's call it a day for now. You understand? I really appreciate you guys joining, and the fact that I'm not able to hear from you guys, or you know what, maybe I might come back. You understand? It's very possible that we might like come back again if I realize that we still have enough time. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Um, if we are going to come back, I'll put it in the Telegram channel so that you guys can see it. Okay. But thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining the live session. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Peace.